What's going on, people? Welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel. Today we prepared some of the most entertaining clips from the crazy road all around the world. We got all the best moments caught on driver's dashcam, so without any further ado, let's jump right into this episode. We have another cheeky driver who got impatient of driving according to the rules, so he bent them a bit.
Hi, Dr. Laura. Thanks for speaking. Hi. What can I do? Hi. I had a question.
That's your problem.
This teenage driver ran a stop sign and swerved all over the road. This video is just another proof of why you should keep a safe distance from other vehicles.
Did he just eat that light?
Video protected.
Yeah, I did that too. I did both.
So you know.
Oh wow. Yeah, nice.
He always used to have like a thick head of hair, and the hair's been falling out. And I don't know whether I always said to him I thought it was something to do with the warfarin, but I don't know whether that's just me presuming or whether there is something in that.
Over to you, Sarah. So it's really interesting you say that. It should be on the road. You said, "Oh, my husband had."
What's this crazy driver doing in the bike lane? I think that he doesn't know either.
Hollywood documentary called The Baby Boom. In this film, economists and Nobel Prize winning PhDs from Wharton, MIT, and Stanford share a strange concept I call the retirement bill. It gives you more retirement.
What the hell are you doing in the bike lane, car?
Never at risk if the market crashes.
Don't run him over.
If the market crashes 30%,
Jesus Christ.
people who are on track shifting money to this new strategy because it increases their retirement or can allow them to stop working years.
And he had to go to the bathroom, so he ran in the house, down the hall, jumped in bed, and peed.
Well, that's just stopping them on the frickin' road.
Yeah, you gotta believe it.
You gotta believe it.
He's a big kid. So, yeah.
Possible. It's not known why the pedestrian was on CBS.
After 2 year pandemic hiatus, the people who slide down the outside of San Francisco sky.
Police work can sometimes be so underappreciated, and it's videos like this one here that shows us how grateful we actually should be to the ones serving our community.
Sir, we gotta go, buddy. That's it. That's it, buddy. Slide over. That's it. I'll give you a piggyback. Good work. Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Who's that? Go on.
And with this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. We hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.